Service-oriented BDSM with Rachel Rampage. Hot take, the sexiest part of power exchange isn't always the impact, rope, or dirty talk. It's a perfectly made cup of coffee showing up at exactly 8 a.m. or 1 p.m. if you're me. It's a room prepared to your standards without you asking. Today we're diving into service-oriented BDSM. What is it, why it's loved, how to do it safely, and how to build it into real life without burning out. Quick definitions, so we're clear. When I say service-oriented, I mean a dynamic where a submissive or S-type expresses their power exchange primarily through acts of service, which is my love language, by the way, anyone listening. That can be domestic, laundry, meal prep, administrative, calendar, travel, inbox, hospitality, tea, cocktail, cigar service, presentation, polishing boots, laying out clothing, or logistics, scene setup, toy care, aftercare care. Important. Service does not equal do everything. It's negotiated, consensual, and bounded. Service can be sexual or non-sexual. Today we're focused on non-explicit examples to be YouTube friendly. Why people love service. Service presses buttons that toys can't. Service isn't free labor. The exchange is value for value. Structure, guidance, recognition, and care in return for skilled contribution. The 3 layers of service. Think of service in 3 layers. Number 1, task. The what, brew the tea, set the outfit, prep the gym bag. The standard is the how. Exact mug, temperature range, placement, timing. The meaning is the why. Care, devotion, excellence, protocol. Calm starts. When you clarify all 3, service goes from chores to ritual. Negotiation that actually works. Opt-in and concrete. Before you sprint into chore charts, negotiate. Scope. Which domains are in bounds? Cadence. Daily, weekly, event-based, standards. How will you define well done? Are there photos, checklists, temperatures? Visibility, private, household, or public presenting? A feedback loop. When, how, and how often we review. Boundaries. Health condition, time limit, budget caps, privacy lines, fail-safes. What happens if life explodes? Schoolwork or illness. Signals. Keep it simple. Red, green, yellow for workload and bandwidth. Plain English override anytime. I'm at capacity today. Request to reschedule XYZ. Rewards, corrections, and sustainability. Service is a marathon. Protect your dynamic. Sustain it. Time box. Capacity rating. Batch and theme days. Automate. Recognition matters. For D types, give specific praise. The mug was perfectly pre-warmed. I feel cared for. For S types, ask for praise you can metabolize. Verbal, notes, tokens. Corrections. Treat missives as process problems first. Adjust the standard or tools before assuming attitude. Use a repair ritual. Acknowledge, clarify, confirm next attempt. Close with appreciation. Safety and ethics. Service must be consensual, reversible, and bounded.